How to stop adding people with added by search on Snapchat. So if you want to stop adding people with added by search on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now go for the upper left, which has that profile option, and then you can scroll down and tap on add friends. Or you can also simply go with the search icon, which will be on the upper left. Once you're on the search icon, tap on the search bar, and I'm going to type in a random name here to bring up a list of different names on Snapchat. So I'm going to tap on view more to bring up a longer list of people, and as you can see that beside each person's name there is an add button. Now if I tap on this add button, it would say added by search, right, to the person that I'm trying to add, which we don't want to do. So the another way of doing this is by tapping on the person's profile icon. So I'm just going to tap on the person's profile, and here now you can see an option. Here you can have add friend option. So if I tap on add friend here, it will basically say added by username. So in this way you can stop adding people with added by search on Snapchat, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.